How long can I collect workers' compensation in New York? Suffering a work-related injury or illness can leave you wondering how long financial support will last. Workers' compensation in New York provides medical treatment and partial wage replacement to help you recover after an accident or occupational disease. Medical benefits cover necessary treatments, doctor visits, surgery, rehabilitation, medications, and equipment with no set time limit. These medical expenses continue even if you return to work or your wage benefits end. Wage replacement benefits are calculated as a percentage of your average weekly wage and are meant to partially offset lost earnings. The duration of wage benefits depends on whether the injury leads to a temporary or permanent disability. Temporary disabilities last until you reach maximum medical improvement, which marks the point where your condition has stabilized and is unlikely to improve with further treatment. When you reach maximum medical improvement, a medical evaluation determines whether you can return to work, need accommodations, or qualify for permanent disability benefits. Permanent total disability benefits provide lifetime wage replacement to workers who are permanently unable to perform any form of work. Insurance carriers may request periodic medical updates to confirm that the disability remains total and permanent. Permanent partial disability benefits compensate workers who have lasting impairments but retain some capacity for employment. The New York Workers' Compensation Board assesses loss of wage earning capacity and assigns benefits for a specific number of weeks based on the percentage loss. For example, a worker with a 50% loss of capacity may receive benefits for up to 300 weeks. Schedule loss of use awards provide a one-time payment for permanent impairment to specific body parts, such as an arm, leg, hand, foot, fingers, toes, eyesight, hearing, or disfigurement. The award is calculated by multiplying the statutory number of weeks assigned to the injured body part by the percentage loss of function. This payment is separate from wage benefits and may be available even if you continued working during your recovery. You may be able to work in a modified role while receiving workers' compensation benefits, and in that situation your benefit amount is adjusted based on the difference between pre-injury and post-injury wages. Returning to work does not extend the duration of benefits. The duration depends on the nature of your disability. Workers' compensation covers medical bills indefinitely for the treatment of your work-related injury. Covered treatments include doctor visits, surgery, prescription drugs, rehabilitation, and diagnostic tests. These treatments must adhere to the New York Medical Treatment Guidelines to ensure they are necessary and related to your injury. If your doctor disagrees with the insurance company's independent medical examination, you can request a hearing before the Workers' Compensation Board to resolve the issue. Such hearings allow both medical opinions to be presented and help protect your rights to fair benefits. Prompt reporting and filing are critical to preserve your claim rights. You must notify your employer of the injury within 30 days and file an employee claim, Form C3, with the Workers' Compensation Board within 2 years. Missing these deadlines can lead to denial of your claim and forfeiture of benefits. Timely reporting, proper claim filing, and adherence to medical protocols maximize your eligibility and ensure you receive the benefits you deserve. Staying informed about the types of benefits, temporary or permanent disability, schedule loss of use awards, and medical coverage, empowers you to advocate for yourself during the claims process. A lawyer can help you understand each stage of the workers' compensation process and build a strong claim based on medical evidence and legal requirements. Queens workers' compensation laws are complex. Speaking with a lawyer early in the process can prevent mistakes. L Sanchez Law Office (PC) is committed to protecting injured workers' rights in New York and offering compassionate legal representation. Contact our law firm at 646-701-7990 to discuss your case and learn how our team can assist you. Our office is located at 3706 82nd Street, number 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States.